Why, good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. It is Monday, April 27th. We're moving right along. I didn't talk to you on Friday. Saw you last on Thursday, and I know you're busy on Friday, and I hope you had a nice weekend. Part of it was really nice. It was a beautiful day on Saturday. I went out for a walk. It was nice and sunny out. And then yesterday was another dreary day. And it kind of looks like today might be that way too. Right now it's just overcast, but hopefully the sun will come out. Remember, April showers bring May flowers. Although I have a lot of flowers out in my garden, but it's still April. And I was talking with my friends and I said, well, we didn't get that much snow this winter. So the rain is making up for it because the ground needs the water. When we get snow, that melts into water, and we need a lot of water so that we have it to drink and to keep our grass green and our flowers to grow. So that's why we're getting all this rain, but I've had enough of it. So hopefully as soon as May gets here, it'll be nice. So I hope you had a good weekend and did something exciting. Feel free to send me pictures. Maybe I'll post a picture of something I do, or tell me about what you're doing. Okay? Let's see, on my list. So on Friday you had to do your assignment just for writing was to go into the ABC writing games, and I asked you to tell me what your favorite game was. Callie is the only one who told me what her favorite game was, so I asked you for a reason. I'd like to know which games that you do like, so if you could send me a note, type me a note on Google Classroom as to which game was your favorite, so I can know that for the future. Okay, and I just want to check on some things. Did you finish your coloring your mailman letter? Remember you could have colored the bottom with the mailbox and the mail truck, mail carrier letter. I hope you're able to put it in your mailbox. Ask Mom and Dad if you can do that this week if you didn't do that yet. And I'm sure they appreciate getting it. So we started on informational writing, and we're kind of tying it in with the circus theme, doing a little bit of historical writing on that. So we're going to be looking at that. Let's see where I left off. So where we left off is you did your graphic organizer, papers everywhere. You should have two pieces of papers. I have my note paper which is actually like this. I did a big one for you guys to see. The one that showed all my facts about monkeys, whether it was about their body, their habitat, or interesting facts. So you should have that on paper, and I need you to keep that. Okay, you don't have to have it on a big chart like I do. And I had started it on a piece of paper, and I have spider monkeys, body, habitat, interesting facts, and I wrote out what they were, but then I put it on the big paper for you to see. So I want you to hang on to that paper. What we're going to be learning how to do is to cite the source. Citing the source means to tell people where you got it, or to show that you're not just making up a story. This isn't fictional. This is real information. This is informational writing that we're doing. So people are going to say, oh, well, where did she learn that about spider monkeys? And I could say, well, I learned it here or there. And we're going to be adding that to your paper about spider monkeys, or about lions, tigers, bears, or elephants. You'll have different animals. So what I did up here is what we're going to be doing. This is what I want you to do today. I want you to go to your facts that you have, look them over, and you're going to look and say, all right, so where did I find out about that? So I went to Fun Spider Monkey Facts, and that was one of the YouTube videos. And then I watched a video all about spider monkeys, also on YouTube. I had given you links to YouTube videos to watch. When you open up the video, right underneath the picture, it shows you the title of that video that someone made up. It might have been from National Geographic, or they might call it Nat Geo. It could have been from just a variety of sources, from a zoo or something. So I want you to put the title and where you got it from. The title, all about spider monkeys, I got it from YouTube. Spider monkeys, I went on Pebble Go. The Amazing Spider Monkey, article on Newsella. Remember I said you could also get information if you have books on your animal at home, or you might see a TV show on Animal Planet. So if you don't remember when it was on, if you saw something on TV, you could write, bears or black bears dash Animal Planet, because we're going to be using those things to refer to. So I want you to keep track of where you got your information from. Probably should have let you know this last week, but I'm sorry I didn't. But I know you have those video links. If you go back, scroll down into Google Classroom, you can go back into the ones that I gave you. So that's what I want you to do today is go through, make up your list of information where you got it. And then what we're going to be starting is a 5-paragraph writing piece about your animal. It's an informational piece. Who can tell me the 5 paragraphs? We did this when we did the one about movies or mini golf. Powell, you were not in our group then, but I know you've done this kind of writing. So we have 5 paragraphs. The first one is the introduction paragraph. The second, third, and fourth paragraphs are reasons for our last one. That was opinion writing. That was the reasons why you like that activity. But our second, third, and fourth paragraph are going to be about their body, about their habitats, and interesting facts. And then the 5th paragraph is going to be our conclusion paragraph about monkeys. So that's what we're going to be doing. So today, if you'd like to start your introduction paragraph, you can do that. I don't want you to go ahead and write the whole thing. I want you to focus on your sources today. Okay, so that's today's main assignment. And then I want you to take out number 16. Number 16. So week 16. Or it's not week 16, but it's page number 16. We're missing some other numbers, and I went ahead on other days. So today we're doing 16. So let's look and see. I'm just going to read them out to you. Is it a common or a proper noun? Remember, common is a person, place, or thing. Just glasses. That's a common noun. Proper noun would be the name of something, like Elizabeth Shelton School or Connecticut. Those are proper nouns. So you have to decide, is San Francisco common or proper? Feather, common or proper? Right? Correct these sentences. We have 2 to correct. It says, the teacher has brung her chair out to recess. She want to read in the fresh air. Ay, ay, ay. And number 4, Lori yelled, hold that door open for me. Dialogue, quotation marks. Okay, and then number 5, give a synonym for the following word. What's another word that's the same as burglar? Synonyms, it's a tricky one to say. Synonyms are words that mean the same thing. So not cinnamon like you might put on your toast. Synonym. Right? So that's our regular DLR work for today. So I think we are all set on what we're doing. Let me look at my notes. So we're going to work on our project as far as writing that 5 paragraph. Remember, I don't want you to rush. We want to worry about quality versus quantity. Have you ever heard anybody say that? Quality means how good something is. Quantity means how much there is. And I don't look at something and say, oh, look at that person wrote 5 paragraphs all in one day. Because then I might look at it and say, oh, they really didn't focus on it and they did it really quickly. And we're going to talk about how we're going to cite the source in their paragraphs 2, 3, and 4. So I don't want you to go ahead on that. So again, just find your sources today and maybe start your introduction paragraph. That would be a good idea. And do your DLR. All right? And don't forget, check in with all your other teachers. Have a good day.